What? Go.
Oh, that's slippery.
Go.
You're only held up high.
Do what?
What? So be careful. Be careful, Daddy.
Be careful. Oh, that's a long one.
Yeah, I don't want pink. I want the tan ones I circled. Because then they'd look cool.
Oh, there's somebody,
Because I could wear them with like a red flannel or a blue
Careful.
flannel or any color flannel.
Abigail, a girl in another class. She has Timberlands, Austin.
I could wear them with like any color flannel and a pair of leggings and a white tank top and I'd look good.
There's a girl in another class named Abigail. She has Timberlands, Austin.
I don't care. I'm jealous.
She's only... I think she's way short for her age.
Oh.
This is cool.
Oh.
Hold on, Alyssa. I know you know where you're going.
Turning in ways they have never turned before.
I want to sit on this.
Trying to be.
No.
My leg. That's why I don't want to stop, because if you stop, it hurts even more.
Follow the yellow.
Zigzag, Daddy.
I see that. All right, I'm going to stop that video for now. Oh, I'll wait. I'm going to take a 2-minute video. No, no, no. You can go.
I think we lost a couple people.
No, they're up there.
I'm in the back.
Oh, they're not in there. Tell my people.
Hi.